devotees connected with this project. And as our Samvid said, that we have almost about 8 to 10,000 well-wishers connected with this project, who mainly because of their help, we accomplished this mega project. And I think so far we have spent almost over 170 crores for this project. Another 50 to go for creating these two cultural oases. And we thank our Sitco authorities, we thank our municipal committee, we thank our local MLAs and MPs for giving us whatever support they could, Prashant Thakur, and so many other people who have been coming from the past many years to this project. Yes, sometimes in the religious institutions, they may not contribute monetarily, but their presence and their participation in such projects are always praiseworthy, because without their sanctions and without their involvement, sometimes it's very difficult in this material world to move. But we are thankful to one and all, and including our ex-CM, Mr. Shindeji, who was a very fine personality. And of course, we would like to also thank our Fadnavisji, who has taken over the reins now. We are thankful to him for being next to us all the time. And we have also sent the invitations to the UP Chief Minister, Mr. Yogi Adityanathji, to grace this occasion. We have also requested Mohan Bhagwatji to grace this occasion. We have also requested our Assam Chief Minister, Mr. Hemant Biswa Sharmaji, and like that, some good personalities from other places. I hope they will come. And we have also sent an invitation to, our Tulsi Gabbard, who is going to take over as a defense person in the Ministry of, what is his name? Our Prime Minister of, President of America, Mr. Donald Trump. And she's also our ISKCON devotee. You'll be happy to know that she, always takes the oath on the Bhagavad Gita. She loves ISKCON. She's a disciple of ISKCON, and I hope she will accept. At the same time, there is on 20th is the oath ceremony in America. But we hope if she comes, like that, there are so many wonderful devotees who are, gracing this occasion from 6 onwards till 15, and 15 is the Muhurat time where we have requested Honorable Prime Minister to come from 4:30 to 7:30 here. That is the Muhurat time when he will be performing the yajna in the temple hall, and then will be unveiling and have a darshan of their lordships. Shri Radha Madan Mohan Ji, Shri Sitaram Lakshman Hanuman Ji, Shri Gaurita Ji, then Dash avatars, 10 avatars of Lord Krishna, and this is and we have a Rukmani Vittal temple also here. So these are some of the facets of, and already rest of them have been already told. And we thank you very much for coming all these years, covering us. जब हमारा यहाँ पर प्रेजेंस भी नहीं था, आपने हमारे निवेदन पे आप हमेशा आते रहे हैं और हमारे इस उभरते हुए केंद्र को अपने व्यक्ति से सराहने का संकल्प किया है। उसके लिए हम अपने तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया करना चाहते हैं, धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं। आपका योगदान यहीं समाप्त नहीं होता है, आपका योगदान सदैव रहना चाहिए। अपनी लेखनी को संपूर्ण रूप से आध्यात्मिक तरीके से उसको बदलने का एक अनुष्ठान आपको करना चाहिए। वर्तमान स्थिति में भारत में बहुत से ऐसे रेडिकल्स उत्पन्न हो रहे हैं जिनके जीवन में कोई विजन तो नहीं है, मगर वो इन्वेजन जरूर करना चाहते हैं संस्कृति का। विजन लोग हमेशा इन्वेजन करते रहे हैं, मगर उसका एंड रिजल्ट यही रहता है, वो परास्त हो जाते हैं और भारत का भूखंड जो है संपूर्ण उभरता हुआ एक एक दहकता हुआ गोला बन जाता है, जो सबके लिए एक्चुअली मार्गदर्शन देता है। भारत भूमि हमेशा मार्गदर्शन देता रहा है पूरे विश्व को, और आगे भी सही लोगों के द्वारा ये मार्गदर्शन चलता रहेगा।